A hammer, a knife, and a family torn apart. What happened inside this courtroom wasn't just a hearing. It was the moment everything fell apart.
Court calls the case People versus Latricia Mopkin.
Hannah Mackey on behalf of Mrs. Mopkin, who's approaching.
No, look this way, ma'am. Come on up. Your name?
Latricia Mopkin.
Thank you.
Your Honor, requesting to set this matter for preliminary examination. And all discovery is complete as far as we are aware.
Would the people have their witnesses available the 20th? Preliminary examination in person will be set January 20th, 2026, 9 a.m. before Judge Fresh Hour.
May I address bond, Your Honor?
You may.
Ms. Latricia, she works at U of M as a housekeeper. Currently, she's on non-paid leave. However, that's temporary and she could permanently lose her job there. She has 4 kids and one of them, Ms. Latricia is the sole provider for her kids. Her family is here today in court as well, and she has a place to stay with them upon release. So we're asking for Ms. Latricia to be released, and she is okay with complying with GPS tether or any other conditions the court finds necessary.
Responsible.
Your Honor, at this point, I'm going to object. This is an extremely serious case in which the victim was attacked with a hammer in which he was hit in the head several times with that hammer. There was a struggle then for that hammer, and during that struggle, he was then stabbed in his stomach. So given the severity of this case and the injuries that he sustained, I'm going to object at this point to any modification of bond.
And Your Honor, we are presenting this case as a self-defense, and Ms. Latricia would not be staying at that address upon release. She would be staying with her daughters, looking after her.
I mean, typically the self-defense isn't, I mean, are you indicating that the alleged victim possessed some weapon at some point?
I believe there was some form of altercation.
Well, an altercation is one thing. Are you saying that a weapon was possessed? Because
No.
that might factor into the court's decision, but if that's not what's being said, then I'm not sure that true self-defense is going to apply in any event, although I'm not trying to make that analysis.
There was no actual weapon.
Do this. There's the allegation that there are 2 weapons that would be used by this defendant.
He did have a knife, Your Honor.
Okay, then you can certainly address that even while I'll factor that in. I still don't think bond would be appropriate, or a reduction in bond would be appropriate in this case. I'm going to deny your request. Certainly you may raise that after the preliminary examination on the 20th before Judge Fresh Hour.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
This different is in Zoom. I have an answer on the other one.
Good. Guys want to walk around? Young lady? No, come here. Come here. Oh, boy. Get her, Mr. Allen. Who is that?
She said.
Who was that?
Family of the last client, I believe, Your Honor. To the full moon.
What?
To the full moon.
No, people are usually better. They're not back yet. There's a problem. You got a problem probably in the hallway, guys. I'm sure security sees it. Can you just call and make sure that they're. How many more do I have?
So plus the in custody. 2, 5, 6, 7. And you got that over there.
Be careful.
I want to look. Oh,
Should have given bond.
yes, I'm so sorry. Yes, so that matter has come back. Apparently, so I looked up at GIS, but yesterday, the company's office called. They don't know. On next week. So.
Right, I'm gonna just step off. If she brings them in, just throw her in the box over here or cuff her, put her wherever. Lady, what's your name?
Sequoia Jones.
What?
Sequoia Jones.
Why were you causing a disruption in the court and then
I
didn't
was
come
talking
back?
to my mom's lawyer, and he stood up. I wasn't talking to him. I didn't say nothing to him. I was talking.
Why didn't you then stop when I told you to stop?
I apologize.
That doesn't work that way.
Your Honor,
You want to be represented by counsel, ma'am, because you disrupted these entire proceedings. You want an attorney?
Yeah.
The PD can handle this, I think. She can go back into custody. I'm gonna take a brief recess and then I'll bring her back out. We'll deal with it.
All right.